Unity walks have historically been a way for people to come together to promote diversity, equity, and inclusion, and togetherness. That is why the Troy University Student Government Association holds DEI Week and a Unity Walk every year.
It's just a very diverse campus that's coming together to unify what is really important and to emphasize the importance of, unity and what we're here to do.
SGA members say the walk brings people together.
Our main goal is to promote conversation between students of all different backgrounds and walks of life.
The walk comes at a time where DEI programs are facing scrutiny. Wednesday, Alabama Governor Kay Ivey signed the Divisive Concepts Bill. Once it goes into effect, the bill will ban state funding of DEI programs in schools, public colleges, and state agencies.
I think it's very important to still show that we care about others and we want to make sure that diversity, equity, and inclusion is something that never gets left out of the conversation.
Some Troy students say there are benefits to participating in DEI activities.
You get to learn different things from different people. You get a different perspective on things. You get enlightenment on different things that you never heard of, you never thought about.
The Unity Walk wasn't the only DEI Week event. The SGA also held a diversity handprints painting event and on-campus interview. Tyren Robinson, Troy TrojanVision News.